What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on this 2013 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. In this video, we are going to bring these headlights to life. We picked up these sweet LED light bulbs for this truck. These things, I believe they're right at 6,500 lumens. So these things are super bright. They have a life of 50,000 hours. If you add that up, that's continuously running for a little over 2,000 days, and that is 5.7 years. If we turn this truck on and left the headlights on, they would burn for 5.7 years. That is crazy insane. But these bulbs are going to take the place of the halogen bulbs. I took one out, and this is a 9003 or an H4. These take the H4, the 9003. And in the Tacoma, they installed just a little bit different. I'm going to show you how that these suckers install. So let's get one of the new ones out. This is a halogen. We're taking this out. Let me show you this spaceship. So what we got in the box, I already took one of them out, but we got some cable ties. Came with directions and came with a couple of new O-rings. But this is the light bulb. So it comes ready to go, ready to plug in without having to add any resistors or any diodes or anything like that. This thing is ready to go. And this right here on the end, that's a fan to keep it cool. Can build up some heat. We're going to keep it cool. And this is how you adjust the beam, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and get them installed so we can see what they look like at night. I want to kind of show you what one looks like on the halogen and one looks like on the LED. So let's hop to it and let's get it done. So the way that these work is you just slide that metal piece off and mount it back in the headlight. It's really easy. You just pop it right back in there. And then you can take this, the rubber grommet, put it on your new bulb, and then just slide the bulb right in. Really easy. We'll get them plugged up. Just takes a minute. So this right here, we put that in the light and then we slide the LED light right into it. Makes it really easy. We also picked up some fog lights, and these bulbs are 3,500 lumen. These are the golden yellows. So when we put these in, they're gonna light up the road in yellow. And these fog lights in these Appalachian mountains, it's fall time here, so the fog's gonna be rolling in. These lights is gonna make it beautiful and easy to see in the mountain air every single day. And these things also have a 50,000 hour life. So just turn them on and leave them on for 5 years and they'll still be burning. That's crazy, that's unheard of. But check this bulb out, I'll show you what's in the box. So this is one of the halogen H11s, so we can see that. And this is one of the LEDs, just super stealthy, ready to just go right in and seal up just perfectly. So can't wait to get these installed too. These are gonna be really, really easy to install. I mean, the fog light bulbs, you just pop the old, unplug it, pop the old one out, put this one in, give it a half turn and plug it back up. These are super easy. The headlights are not as easy, but let's get to it and let's get it done. So these Auxito LED headlights, they're super stylish. I really like them. I hope they last to 50,000 hours. We were gonna try to make 2 videos on it, but we just can't do it. It's just so easy to install. You get it done so quick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pop the fog light in, and we're gonna do a compare at night to kind of see which side is brighter and how it looks. If you wanna put this on your truck, you can do it. It's really easy. If you got a specific question, all you have to do is leave it in the comments. We will leave Auxito's link down below, and we'll pin the first comment. If you do want to get you some of these LED headlights, click the link. It'll take you right to it. It does help out the channel. So let's go ahead and put the fog light in. We'll catch up with you when it gets dark, and hopefully we'll have this sucker all wrapped up and we'll have some bright LED lights. Brilliant white. New one. Oh. There's our high beam. And our high beam on our old bulb. Really bright. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. You saw the comparison. It's absolutely amazing. Daylight and dark, literally difference in how these lights light up. It's just super bright. Loving the golden yellow fog lights. That's really going to help us in the fog. We really like these things a lot. If you are interested in some and you do want to get some, we will leave the link in the description. We will pin it in the first comment. It's Auxito. They're awesome lights. They're easy to install. Can't say enough good things about them. I hope they last for a long time. Maybe we'll make a video again in 10 years and show you how long that they last. So we absolutely love it. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. If you like this video and you like this content, drop us a like. Possibly consider subscribing if you hadn't already. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.